Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be making the Snickers dessert pie. It looks amazing. I found this at Walmart for $5.98, good deal. And we're going to top it with this vanilla ice cream. This is actually a Haagen-Dazs vanilla Swiss almond ice cream. I can't wait to do this video for you guys. It's going to be awesome. Step 2, rinse and dry the pie dish. Step 3, empty brownie mix into a mixing bowl and add the butter and water. So guys, I didn't read the directions right. I'm supposed to put the brownie mix into the bowl, not the pan. So let me do that right now. Step 5, chop up the milk chocolate bar and fold it into the batter. So they gave me this little Snickers bar. I'm just going to chop it into pieces and put it into the batter. Alright, so I chopped the Snicker bar into little pieces right here. Alright, this is how it's supposed to look mixed, and you're supposed to put this into the pan right here. Alright, and then after you put it in the pan, you bake for 15 to 18 minutes. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel today. Alright, so you saw me bake this. Now I'm going to put some ice cream over it. I love having chocolate, anything, or any dessert with ice cream on top. Cold and hot, I think will go together with ice. And this is kind of softer. I don't want it to be too hard, but I'm excited guys. This is going to be good. I have some coffee with the dessert. Believe it or not, guys, it's 11 p.m. You guys heard me, 11 p.m. tonight. But let's try this out. I tried this. One of my friends, Emma and Jose, gave me this for my birthday or Christmas one day. It was really good. But I didn't have ice cream, so I want to try with ice cream. That's good. It's really good. So guys, the reason why I got this at Walmart, because it had a Snickers bar in there and I love Snickers. When I first got it, I was like, cool, Snickers like brownie mix. Then I saw that little Snickers bar. Oh, that sucks. Maybe they don't want to eat that by itself. But then I read the directions, so you actually don't have to cut it up and put it in the brownie mix. I go, it's perfect. I love Snickers. It's perfect. It's good. It's actually really good. If you love Snickers, you'll love it. And some coffee. So the brownie mix is nice and warm. I had it cool down for a few minutes. So the brownie mix is nice and warm, and I think it's the perfect amount. I put a lot of ice cream on here, as you can see. I think it's the perfect amount of ice cream for one person. It's just perfect one person, guys. There's nuts from the Snickers bar. So you have a Snickers taste in there. It's like a nice rich brownie with a Snickers bar. This ice cream is Haagen-Dazs Vanilla Swiss Almond. I was looking for like a just sort of plain vanilla, but I saw this. Like maybe it's better with nuts, like with almonds and stuff, you know. It's amazing. I love it. This might be a quick video because there won't be much to eat. That's so good. Wow. This coffee is House Blend Starbucks. It's very good too. So today is December 30th. By the time you see this video, it will probably be New Year's Day already. I already have 2 or 3 videos I have to upload or edit before this one, so it'll be a while for me to edit this one, but happy New Year's Day, guys. Happy New Year's. I think I will get more of these. I see them more popular like around Christmas and the holidays. I also saw some at Target as well. But when I saw the Snickers bar one, I was like, I have to get it. But I'm gonna get more. I think I'm gonna get like, next time there's like I see more of these, I'm gonna get more. So tomorrow is New Year's Eve. I think I'm just gonna, a lot of people are asking what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna like relax, chill, you know, watch a movie. Order some pizza. You know, I could do frozen pizza, but I think I want to do my favorite pizza, which is round table, vegetarian, extra sauce. So guys, after this video, I have a couple of Christmas cards I want to open up after I'm done eating this. A little more ice cream. It's so good with ice cream. It makes it like 10 times better. So good. And I'm going to open up some cards. This one's Kevin, Mr. Kevin. The loyal subscriber on this channel. Okay, let's see. Get Yeti for a season filled with fun. Merry Christmas, Christmas to you. Hope Santa is good to you. Celebrate wishing you an amazing 2020. I think it's One Love, Kevin. That's cute. Isn't that cute, guys? So thank you, Kevin. That was really nice of you. I got another card. I think she said she put something in here, so. So she put a face mask. She already told me she did this. Icing Sweet Bar. Oh, good, it's from Korea. I love Korea face masks. Icing Sweet Bar sheet mask. It looks like. If it's from Korea, I just love it. It doesn't have to be from Korea, but I like to collect face masks and actually use them. Today, I actually put one of my brother's face masks on. So I look better, that's why. But yeah, this is cool. So it's an icing sweet bar. Let's read the card. There's a lot in here to say. Merry Christmas, Karen. May the force be with you. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas and New Year's. Lovely. New Year's lovely. Your mukbangs or videos are a joy to all who watch. May the magic of the season bring you tidings of great joy. Lots of love. Ginger ale. Can't read the name, but so it's a nice card. Thank you for the face mask. Also, she gave me some stickers. Love those, cute. I think they're cute. She did Instagram me and she messaged me. She asked me if the card came. It can take a couple of days during holidays. And when I get mail to my P.O. box, it does take a little bit extra longer. Usually, I don't know why. Maybe they have to sort it out or something. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I did, and it was really great. And yeah, if you see one of these brownie dessert things, I would recommend it. I really enjoyed it. And if I would have to rate it 5 out of 5 with the Snickers, it's so good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Peace.